We have a new free update for StampManage 2019 customers, and in this video I'm going to go over some of the additions we've made. One of the things we've been doing quite a lot in the last couple months is adding new values, and so to give you an example, let me go into Gold Coast. Gold Coast, for example, postage due, we've added values for all those and images as well. What we've been doing is been concentrating on 19th century stamps up until about 1950 and adding values for those, because obviously those are the stamps that are more likely to have high values and be collectible. And so we're going through all sorts of different countries. For example, in this update you'll see a lot of values for older Philippine stamps, France, Italy, Gold Coast as I mentioned, and quite a few other different countries as well. We've also been doing quite a bit of work on a feature that some of you may, I'm sure most of you have not used yet, and that is under the reports menu you can use the create collection report, and this is kind of like a quick way of creating a report. You can go in and create the report with the fields you want, and then later on you can change it if you want to as well. So what we've done, we've added some new fields like country category to the grouping, and so to give you an example of how to use it, let me just say, let's just create a by cancel report, and this is going to be a report group by cancel. Now we've got show totals, which shows the grand totals at the end, show stamp image, self-explanatory. And in the group by, what you can do, I believe this is a new field, the cancel field, group by cancel, which automatically selects the sort by cancel. Otherwise you'll have groups scattered all over the place. And on the right here we have a table of contents. What that's going to do is show, you'll see later basically what it does. Show group totals, shows the totals for each particular cancel type. And so let me go ahead and click on create report and design, and what this does is it creates a report template with the fields we specified here, and it opens up the report designer. There you go. So this is the report. It's called bycancel.lst, and this gives you a preview of what it's going to look like. So let's assume that's all good. Close the report designer. Now let me go ahead and run a report. I'm going to select reports, output report using all data, which uses all the data except for items in the deleted stamps and sold stamps folder. And I'll click on by cancel, open, preview for the sake of this demo, start. And what this does is it's going to group all the stamps that have a cancel that's non-empty basically, and it's going to group them by type, cancel type. We're about 65% done. There's a lot of stamps in this sample collection. So now we're done, and as you can see, the first page is going to have the table of contents. That's what we specified, and each item in the table of contents is one of the cancels that have been discovered amongst the stamps. And so if I just click on one of the cancels, for example fancy cancel here, I go to the fancy cancel group. As you can notice here on top, it's going to show totals for each group, and it's going to show all the stamps in that group as well. At the end, as we specified, it should show the totals. Yeah, the bottom here shows the complete totals for all the stamps that have been listed. Additionally, in this update you will see our complete database up to I believe it's over 410,000 stamps now, and the additions are scattered all over the place. You get edits and additions and value additions everywhere. For example, Morocco. Let's see, let me find Morocco here. Okay, Morocco. added quite a few images and stamps. We had a customer who contributed many images that he had taken, many scans he had taken of his stamps, and we appreciate that. Okay, so here is the changes. These are the changes we have made for the latest edition. We'll continue working and updating data, adding values in the coming months. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care and goodbye.